Hey boys and girls, we are here for session 5 of our lesson this week, our last couple pages. So you're going to need some counters, something to write with again. Let's get started. Let's read our problem. Rita collected 10 shells. She puts 5 in one pile and the rest in a bucket. How many shells are in the bucket? So how many did she have, everyone? You're right, she had 10. How many did she put in a pile? 5. So she had 10. She put 5 in a pile over here. So how many must be in that bucket? You're right, there are 5 shells in the bucket. Let's get started. We're going to use our counters on this page. Are you guys ready? Here is our first problem. So Maria is making a bracelet. She's going to use 5 purple beads and 5 pink beads. So Maria is making a bracelet. She's going to use 5 purple beads and 5 pink beads. So let's show that with our counters. So how many purple was she going to use? You're right, she's using 5 purple. How many pink is she going to use? You're right, she's going to use 5 pink. So she has 5 purple and 5 pink. Let's write our number sentence. How many purples did she have? 5. How many pinks did she have? 5. I bet a bunch of you are going to use mental math. 5 plus 5 equals, you knew it, 5 plus 5 is 10. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, let's get started on our next problem. I'm going to clear my counters off. Are you clearing all of your counters off? Let's see. Jessica had 7 cookies. Let's show our 7 cookies. Do you have your 7 cookies? She ate 5 cookies. If she ate them, are we putting together or taking away? You're right, we're taking them away. So let's take away 5 cookies. So now let's write our number sentence. How many cookies did she start with? 7. How many did she eat? 5. So how many cookies are left? You're right, 2 cookies are left. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's clear off our counters again. Boys and girls, I was outside. There were 6 bugs sitting on the plant. 6 bugs were on the plant. Can you show those 6 bugs? Two more bugs came to sit on the plant. So what are we doing? Are we putting together or taking away? You're right, we're putting together. So let's put 2 more bugs. So now I want to know how many bugs in all. So how many bugs were on the plant? 6. How many more came? 2. Let's count how many bugs in all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there were 8 bugs in all. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, we are ready to head to our next page. Oh, this time, instead of using our counters, we're going to draw a picture. So let's listen to my story and then we'll draw our picture. There were 9 butterflies sitting in the garden. 4 butterflies flew away. How many butterflies are left? So if there were 9 and some flew away, are we putting together or taking away? You're right, we're taking away. So let's draw our picture. How many butterflies were at the beginning? Ooh, you're right, there's 9. I'm just gonna draw circles because it is too hard for me to draw on this computer. If you want to draw beautiful butterflies, you go for it. Ooh, I have my 9 butterflies. We know 4 butterflies flew away. How do we show that they flew away? You're right, we cross them out. Let's write our number sentence. How many did we start with? 9. How many flew away? 4. And how many are left? You're right, there are 5 butterflies left in the garden. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's listen to our next story. There were 6 ants scurrying along the sidewalk. There were 6 ants scurrying along the sidewalk. 3 ants went into the ant hill. How many ants are still on the sidewalk? So what are we doing? Are we putting together or taking away? You're right, we're taking away. So there were 6 ants. Let's draw our 6 ants. Do you have your ants drawn? 3 ants went into the ant hill. Let's cross those 3 out to show they went away. And let's write our number sentence. How many ants did we have? 6. How many went in the anthill? 3. And how many ants are still on the sidewalk? You're right, there are still 3 on the sidewalk. Oh, boys and girls, here's our very last story. I saw 3 caterpillars hanging on the tree. 3 caterpillars hanging on the tree. I saw 4 caterpillars crawling in the grass. How many caterpillars did I see all together? So what are we doing? Are we putting together or taking away? You're right, we're putting them together. I want to know how many in all. All right, boys and girls, how many were hanging in the tree? You're right, there were 3. How many were crawling in the grass? There were 4. So let's write our number sentence. How many were hanging in the tree? 3. How many were in the grass? 4. How many all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 caterpillars all together. Nice job, boys and girls. So this week you have a fact fluency worksheet that you're going to complete. So just like we've been doing, you're going to write some number sentences to show these pictures. One side has addition and one side has subtraction. Now on these 2 problems down here, you're going to be deciding how many go away, and you have to write that as your number sentence. Have a great weekend, boys and girls.